about how we're going to develop our Illustrator page. And I'm making this video before I have a list of all the projects that you need to include. But on this instruction page, yours should look a little bit different. You should have an entire list of all the different projects we did this year so that you'll know which ones you should include on your website. So I wanted to show you an example of how I've done this in the past. So I had a lot of samples that I was trying to show off, a lot of projects. And I could have done a carousel, which would have been perfectly fine, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. But I also wanted to maybe look into doing Google Slides. So I could have it just as a show, and you could have it playing on the website. So what I did for that is something completely different than the carousel. So I will show you that after I show you the carousel. The point of this is you want to have all of your images of your project on the page so that people can open them up and take a closer look at them. So I'm going to try importing the image carousel. So you have on your computer, and I hope I have a ping example to use right now for this, you have all the ping files for these projects. If you need to find them, they're not on your desktop, they're gonna be in Canvas because you actually turned them in as assignments when you were turning in your ping versions. So you can re-download them from Canvas if you wanted to, and you would just start uploading them. So let's say I don't have a ping example here. Okay, let's pretend that these are my projects, which are not the same ones that you're going to have at all. Okay, I would open that up, add another one, open that up. Okay, they could be JPEG versions too if you wanted to, but you've been saving pings, so you should have those files on Canvas. Okay. So let's pretend I uploaded all of the pictures I was supposed to use. I'm going to go ahead and insert it. And now it's going to read. When it's playing, it's going to read as a slideshow. Okay, and I'm going to center that. Now, you can customize this to look completely different. You do not have to use the carousel at all. Now, if you wanted to do a Google Slide presentation and import that, you can come over here to Google Slides, make a slideshow, and actually have slides of each and every project showcasing what you want to showcase. Then you would import that link into the website like I have. Okay, so if you go over here to the side, go down, you can go to slides, and the great thing is all of your Google Slides are here. So I'm going to click on this one, I'm going to insert it, and then hopefully if the internet is working properly, it should click and enter into your page. So let's try that one more time. If it doesn't work, it's an internet issue right now, but it should work. There it is, it's working. Okay, I can move this over, I could center this, I can make it bigger. I believe I can make it bigger. Maybe I can't because it's Google Slide. And then you could give it a title at the bottom. Maybe you write Illustrator Projects. And that way when this is published and it's working, then your viewer can actually go through each of the slides. So if we wanted to test this out, preview. Let's see how it works. Okay, so they would be able to go through each of the slides. Okay, so that's an option. You have the image carousel. You could plop in images and just format them the way you want. You can also use Google Slides to create slideshows so that people can scroll through and see your project. Okay, you are done for semester 1 because we have only been uploading Illustrator projects. So you should have all the components. You should have your home page, which has your picture or image, optional. The About Me with the paragraph, your list of accomplishments, your Illustrator page should be titled, and then it should also have somehow showcase all of the projects that are on the list that you need to show me. Now, once you're ready, you're going to publish. I'll publish this one since I already published it. No, never mind. We'll do this one. We're going to publish. You're going to make sure it looks okay. And then I want you to share this with me. So when you click on share, or actually just go to the link at the top, click on the link, copy the link, and then inside of this assignment, inside of Canvas, you're going to paste that link so that I can click on your link and I can view your website. And I'm going to be checking for all the things that are on this list.